70% of cardiac arrests happen at home, which is why the American Heart Association's latest partnership is reaching out to parents in more rural areas to make sure that they've got the skills to help their children in case of an emergency.
Our Georgia
Especially if I had a fragile infant, maybe a infant that was born premature or with some type of medical problems, I would definitely be a little more scared than usual.
The closest hospital to folks living in West Baton Rouge is across the bridge. A Reality Health Unit Director Mary Winfield says is scary for a lot of parents who may be on their own when an emergency strikes.
It's really a benefit that a mom can start CPR or a family member can start CPR on their infant if something drastic like that were to happen. But I will give kudos and shout out to our West Baton Rouge Fire Department because we do have an EMS team now that has decreased the response times for emergencies.
Through a partnership with the American Heart Association and Aetna, the Parish Health Unit now has 40 new infant CPR training kits to teach parents how to do CPR. And another 40 were dropped off at the Our Lady of the Lake Children's Clinic in Bruley. Parents can request a kit to take home, which Winfield says can ease some of that anxiety and even save lives.
So inside the kit there is this one little baby. It's a blow-up doll, and you will blow it up, and then he, she, whoever you want it to be comes out like this. And there's also an instructional card. It has a QR code you can scan, but it also has pictures and words, so you can read the instructions, you can watch a video with the QR code, and it has a demonstration picture. And I'll kind of demonstrate right quick how you do it. But basically, it's the basic CPR skills. And of course, you're going to do head tilt, chin lift on an infant. And if you are going to blow into their mouth, and the chest will rise and fall. And as well, you do chest compressions with 2 fingers. And that's just a good way to practice doing CPR on your infant.
The kits have had a positive response so far. The health unit says they've handed out about half already. Tanya Williams with the American Heart Association says they plan to keep this program going to continue helping parents in rural areas.
West Baton Rouge, of course, is one of the under-resourced areas around Greater Baton Rouge. So we just wanted to focus those efforts there, and just kind of, response time sometimes can be a little slower, specifically in rural areas. And so we just want to make sure that parents in that area feel confident.
Georgia Peck, WAFB 9 News.
Georgia, thanks. And if you're interested in grabbing a kit of your own, stop by the West Baton Rouge Health Unit.